When the cutter is cutting a job, there may come a time when there's a need to pause the cutting action. For instance, you may want to change a setting, a condition value that will improve the cutting, stop the cutter altogether, or straighten the media. To pause the cutter for changing a setting, simply press the menu key and then change the setting. To stop the cutter immediately, press the stop button. The cutter will conveniently allow the set lever to be released so that the media can be straightened. The cutter will then display these two choices: Continue and Quit Job. Continue will continue with the current cutting operation, and Quit Job will stop the job completely. In this instance, we just need to straighten the media, so we can press the 1 key to continue. Let's stop the cutting operation again. This time, let's choose the second option, Quit Job, by pressing the 2 key. This will display a second screen asking us if we would like to clear the buffer. If we want to quit the job, we have to clear the buffer. It is really just ensuring that we really do want to stop the job, in which case clearing the buffer is necessary. It provides the option to cancel, but in this case we can press the 1 key. When either the menu or condition key is pressed, the cutting operation may or may not pause immediately. Don't be concerned with this. It continues to cut in order to find a good spot to pause. If you have a hard time remembering which button does what, the stop key will stop the cutter immediately, allowing the media to be adjusted. The menu key will pause the cutter, allowing you to change the cut settings. And pressing the condition key will pause the cutter as well, but allowing you to change a cut condition settings directly.